WhatsApp recently introduced a voice message transcription feature, allowing users to convert voice notes into text. Here's how to enable and use it. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, navigate to the Chats option. Here you will see the new voice message transcripts feature. Just toggle the slider to enable it. When enabling voice message transcripts for the first time, tap Choose Language to select your preferred language. Select any of the supported languages. Once you've made your choice, tap Setup Now. WhatsApp will then download the language data package. Additional languages will be made available over time. The language data package has been downloaded. You can change the transcript language at any time from this menu. Now return to the chat list and open any conversation containing a voice message. Long press the voice message, then tap the three dots from the top right corner, and then tap Transcribe. The voice message will start transcribing, with the duration depending on the length of the message. The transcribed text will appear directly below the voice message. Transcriptions are processed locally on your device, ensuring end-to-end encryption. This means neither WhatsApp nor third parties can access the content. So in this way, you can enable and use the new voice message transcripts feature on WhatsApp.